Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO P101, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and choosing Alarm section at the top left corner. Then, before creating your alarm, hit those three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings and manage all of them under Alarms however you wish to, like snooze. Then go back and to create your alarm, hit this red button at the bottom. Now set up an hour and choose OK in the pop-up. Finally, you can tap on Repeat and click on Days of the Week. I will go with Mondays and Wednesdays. You can also select one of those options, like for example, work days. Wherever you decided, when you are finished, hit OK. Now you can tap on this little square next to Vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback, and tap on this little bell. Now, by selecting Add New at the top, you can pick any song from your tablet and set it up as your new alarm sound. You can also just tap on one of those sounds, like in my case, Neon. Finally, label your alarm however you want to, if you want to. Click on OK and tap on Silence after to adjust it. I will go with 15 minutes. This way, your alarm will ring only for 15 minutes if you do not respond. To hide all of those options, click on the bottom left corner. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully created. You can turn it off completely by clicking on the red switcher next to it, and turn it back on by clicking on the gray one. If you wish to delete your alarm completely, click on the bottom right corner of it and tap on this bean at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!